In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a family link from a Google account on your PC. Family Link is a useful tool for managing the digital activities of younger family members, but there might come a time when you need to remove this supervision. Whether the child is ready for more independence or you simply need to adjust your family settings, this process is straightforward and can be accomplished in a matter of minutes. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to families.google.com using your PC's web browser. Once there, ensure you sign in with the parent Google account. This is crucial, as only the parental account has the necessary permissions to manage and make changes to the Family Link settings. Now that you're signed in, take a moment to look through the family accounts displayed. Here, you'll want to identify and select the child account that you intend to remove from Family Link. This step is all about ensuring you're working with the correct account. So if necessary, double-check the account details to avoid any confusion later. Once you have the correct child account selected, it's time to proceed with making the change. Look for an option that says Remove Member or Leave Family Group. This option might be located under a menu or within a settings section, so take your time to find it. Clicking this will lead you toward the last stages of removing the child account from the supervision group. The next step is confirmation. A prompt will ask if you're sure about your decision to remove the child or yourself from the family group. This step is essential to avoid accidental changes, so ensure you're confident in your choice before proceeding. Confirming your decision will effectively remove the child's account from the established Family Link, thereby stopping any further supervision or management through this tool. And there you have it. The child's Google account will now operate independently, free from the constraints of the Family Link supervision. It's a simple yet effective process that ensures you're always in control of the settings and permissions affecting family accounts under your management. Remember, managing digital settings for your family is an ongoing process, and knowing how to adjust tools like Family Link helps you stay adaptable to the changing needs of each family member. Be sure to revisit these settings as necessary, and always prioritize both security and independence according to each situation. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you today.